If somebody is suffering from whooping cough, chronic cough, I can say, in that situation, one can take fit curry. Fit curry is also known as alum in English. Fit curry should be roasted at frying pan, and afterwards that roasted fit curry can be made as churna or powder, and that powder in the quantity of half gram or approximate 600 milligram you can take 3 times a day with equal quantity of mishri. Mishri means unrefined sugar.